I got a spare part original from Yamaha. You look at this, it's unbelievable. And they sent us the transformer. I would like to build this now in for the second it's the second power supply. Nice box. Look. You can put in a gift for Merry Christmas or stuff like this. And here we are. That takes time to get this out. And we would like to know also why the transformer is dying. I mean, Mr. Scissors, yeah. And I would like to cut it off. So, wow, it's new, brand new. Should I measure it? It's the XW608. Bah. You cannot believe. This is the fail one, yeah? And we measure it first. And I think so easy. Ohm, we turning the measurement to ohm, and now I have no third hand. No. What's happened here? Aha, here is the coil. 3.720 kilo ohms. Okay? The other have here nothing in between. Unlimited. It was too much high ohm. That means it was interrupted. I built it in, and we hope so that we can play with it. And here we are. We put it in, and where was the side with the... It's not open. Or is it open? Let's have a look. The pin to pin and pin. Yes. I must hold this and solder it. Look, my cable where I insert the voltage from external power supply. And I need 3 hands to doing this. It's okay. It's okay. Super. Now I disconnect the insert points where I insert the voltage with the external power supply with this cable, and soldering all joints and building it in and assembly it, and then I hope so the electronic master will have this, that we can start with a new life in this machine. I mean, these small parts, they are built, you see, it's very small build, etc. But I like it in that case because they are so compact. And if you don't have a small flat, if you don't have a big flat, then you can use this in case of saving the space. What I can do is here I inserted it and click, making click, and this is also important, the power supply. We also would like to position the cable here, and I must insert one screw here, and then we begin to start. Then we would like to start, yeah, correct. I hope so that is working. look at this. We must also complete, making it complete. Now we would like to start it. Hope so it works. And well, it works. Super. I turn it off because I don't have speakers on it. The machine is working, and I close the body. Now it's important that I must also close this part here and that part there. I have little screws. Hope so. This will be here. Is that correct? Could be. Could be, but not should be. Maybe it's not correct. Maybe there is the white one here. I cannot remember all machines what I open up, but this it looks like inside they putting the silver and outside the black. No, it's not. This is also not this. Maybe I had it from a. Oh, it's interesting. They are using this. Yes, I must say yes to that. We must say yes to that, but how that could fix if I cannot turn it? I mean, how is that? Oh, now it's working. Super. I fixed the print and everything good. I must do that. And then we have 4 back side screws and 4 side. But the side, no, there was nothing. There was nothing here. I make a mistake putting out this. This is a mistake. Because this is on the side. But we doing a zip tie here. It will be good. I cannot make this like that direction. I have only 8 screws now. So that's better than nothing, but there was no screw inside. And I cannot remember it. This is the big issue, not the failure from the machine. My issues are more than failures from the machine. Yes, so super. We close it now. We close it now, and also we got a nice video for that. This a plasticky part here. And what happened? Nothing special. I'm putting now the screws on the back side. This is this fun. How much different screws they are built in? I don't know. Maybe they have a contract with a screw company. I never understand why they're making this with so much screws. I'm not so happy with that are so much. Can they not make a clip? I mean, not a plasticky clip where you finish this making click like Philips. In Philips machines are all not screwed only with the plasticky click. And I think this is also not good. But why they using so much screws? This is really, for me, is this, I don't understand this. Maybe about the stability. They're doing the falling test and it's not allowed to fall apart and so on. It's also not easy to understand. And now, wow, heavy ride. Transformer is so heavy. One side. I hope so the long ones are here. I get this machine with no information and nobody tells me what is wrong and what not. Or should I change this between that screws? No, these are other screws. It is so. Would like to finish this and then we make a test, but not so long in case of the copyright situation, and I hope so this will be understand that we only show the repair and not the playing the music, because it's not so important. Look at this, and now we connect it here with my super cable. I have here now a super cable. Look at this, I make these pins on it and now it's better to connect here and here. I must turn this on. So, and here, but now it's better than the loosey cable where I start. I have loosey cables. This is not so fun. And now we need the reference of all the references. This antenna Schnappi. I put it to the FM tuner. The FM here is not so good because we are living in a ghetto. There's around a lot of buildings with put it on and change the position of the camera. Fingers crossed and Tuner.
Von seinem Vater. Es war Freitag, der 1. Oktober, wie
okay.
Der Arbeitstag als Gastronom 2004.
You hear it? Super. So, must turn off. Display, clock time, input, on time. You can hear switch on the time and so on. Okay. Super, it's working. The Yamaha RX-E810. That was the Yamaha RX-E810. Interest-wise, the transformer was the effect. Here we are. And at the primary side we have an interruption. I would like to change that, but I have a friend and he bring me the spare part. He ordered it from Germany and it's coming well after, I think so, 4 or 5 weeks. Now I give this machine back. Super. If you're interested in my channel, please subscribe and or sponsor me, or sponsor me $1 million, then I don't need to make this again. No, it's not. It was only a joke. I'm doing it for my lifetime. I like it. Yeah. And I say after, I think so they came out in 2000, these machines, 99 or 2000, so these machines will run 20 years on the power supply. I mean, this is a long running time. Now we have 22, it's more, it's 22 years or 23 years now around. It's much. Thank you for watching.